Login failed on Acorns Fix. If you've ever opened your Acorns app ready to check your investments, only to see login failed, you know how frustrating it feels. The good news? Most login issues with Acorns are simple to fix, and in just a few minutes, you'll be back on track. The surprising truth is that most login failures aren't about your password at all. Are caused by connectivity, app cache problems, or temporary security blocks. Let's go step by step to solve it. First, check if Acorns is experiencing an outage. You can quickly verify by searching Acorns status online or visiting their official status page. If servers are down, you need to wait until they're restored. No fix on your phone or computer will work until then. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes of login errors. Still stuck? Try clearing your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Acorns and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, the easiest fix is to delete and reinstall the Acorns app. This clears corrupted files and refreshes your session. If you've recently changed your password or email, make sure you're logging in with the updated info. Some users get locked out because they're using an old password saved by autofill. Another hidden culprit is two-factor authentication. If you have it enabled, double-check that your phone's date and time are set automatically. Even a slight time mismatch can block the verification code from working. And if your account says temporarily locked, don't panic. Go to Acorns.com, click Forgot Password, and follow the reset steps. Acorns may send a recovery link to your verified email. Most login issues are temporary and easy to fix once you know what's causing them. Stay calm, follow these quick steps, and you'll be back investing and growing your savings in no time.